So how to back up your iPhone, iPod to your MacBook with iCloud. First of all, you need to connect your iPhone and your MacBook first. I am connecting with my iPhone and MacBook with data cable. And once you connect with mobile and your MacBook, then you can see this kind of interface. So you have to press on trust and need to put your passcode here, and then you need to go your MacBook and open a finder, and then you can see the mobile name with the icon. You have to press on trust again in this device. So press on trust, and then you can see the all information on your phone. So if you want to uh, take a backup with your passcode, then you can send encrypted local backup. Then you need to put a password. I am putting a password, and then you have to press on set password, and you need to confirm it with your iPhone, and all are set. Now backup, you need to just trust your device again with your iPhone, and done. Now it's taking a backup. Wait a couple of minutes or second. It's actually depend on your how much data on your iPhone right now. So it takes some time, and once your backup done, you can see the date here. Last backup on Mac. Never, I don't take any backup previously. That's why showing here never. If you want, if you take a backup, the date will be shown here. So this is how you can easily take a backup from your iPhone to your MacBook. So hope you enjoy video helpful. Please thumbs up and do subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you very much.